Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Watch out not bring them two black there. Them two black them all right there, so. Brother, you can't cut it black. You know, she says a man black that. And a woman black that, brother. Yeah, man. All right, deal that over there, so. More look more cement there. Yeah.
Daba! Daba!
We are dealing.
Bro! Yo, you know got construction up here.
When, by the way, when?
March the 17th, brother.
Party.
You know, say no sense.
So me have to go in a construction clothes and them look something there too.
The baddest thing that we hear.
I want to keep it.
Yeah, bro, me here say, they're the same party that we are talking about.
Bumbo, dog. You don't see bar wheel. Fuck up my time when they make me a push the bar with the wheel. Mash up, so brother.
Yeah, bro, me here say all clocks I give it. 3 man clocks and 3 female clocks. What you mean by?
And no man not tell me that, dog. John was star.
Brother, Stumpy, Gishman, Damien.
Which part?
What you mean by doing a girl chest so we are go Gold Star? Gold Star land, bro. And this so we are go there.
Oh. Alright, that no sound bad.
Make sure you follow with me. Yeah, bro. Alright. Alright, you want me to do then? Me I go buy the two helmet them. Me buy the 2 helmet them. Me not nothing more first. Me buy the 2 helmet them.
So me can organize up some things. Alright, bro. Now say a word. Alright, you go get them thing there. Yeah. You buy the shoes. Get them there. Me bring hammer. You bring hammer. Alright, bro. Now say now look a bit. Alright, big up. I remember my 5 bills you owe me, yeah? Bad man, I wish for a black there, brother.
I'm about to cement down my axe so long, brother. Where's the table? Where you want? 2 black? Alright, now see how what, me G. Now see how what, no party.
Yeah, brother.
What?
Clocks are giveaway.
Eh?
And phone card, brother. The amount of price of me here say I give you, brother.
A serious thing you talk?
And a joke party this, you know? A serious party this, we have to go.
That man have to go in now, where you talk about. So go, yeah, you get the thing that I'm gonna.
We have to go. We talk about load up the construction, load up the whole life. I truck will I bring. We make sure I bring a truck. So take out the whole I stand out I truck from now, you know. Alright.
No see how what, me go fix this and forward back. Yeah man, tell boss to say I know me mash you up.